Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. A Frontier Airlines flight was isolated and searched at Washington Dulles International Airport after a beeping noise was reported from the cargo hold. Flight 4708, an Airbus A320, landed around 2:35 p.m. ET and was directed to a remote area for a precautionary inspection. Authorities conducted a full security sweep, and the aircraft was cleared by police at 4:45 p.m. Passengers and baggage were then moved to the main terminal. No threat was found, and the incident is now closed, according to airport officials. The Federal Aviation Administration has opened an investigation into the matter. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.